Albi Pay has followed through with everything that they said they would be. Very fast, very secure, makes that process seamless.
Albi Pay has been extremely efficient for us in collecting cash up front and keeping our cash flow going. We decided to try Albi Pay to help increase our cash flow, which has been extremely helpful. We're able to go into a homeowner's house and collect their deductible, and we're able to send them a link, and they're able to input it themselves, for their security and safety. And it's also increased our cash flow by being able, again, to collect their deductible and keep the process moving along.
The biggest frustration that I encountered before Albi Pay was, one, making sure the technician puts the correct card number in, and also when a payment was made or a deposit in any other system, it's not an automatic receipt that goes out. You have to generate that and send it manually. With Albi Pay, it's automatic. The onboarding and setup process with Albi Pay was extremely easy. They run through a test for you. The best word to describe it is seamless. Albi Pay stands out from the competition by its one stop, all encompassed. We no longer need to have a third-party service for that. So when we're collecting the rest of the bill, we already have $1,000, help pay for labor and supplies.
I would highly recommend Albi Pay to any restorers out there. We've seen a very big difference by using Albi Pay in our cash flow by being able to collect on every job.
So it's a win-win for the homeowner and our company as well.